Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Scotiabank is closing the first branch it opened in Jamaica. The King Street branch in downtown Kingston was opened over 120 years ago. Scotiabank's Group CEO David Noel cited low in-branch transactions as the reason for the closure. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The end of a Scotiabank dynasty is here. This bank, which has become a famous part of the downtown Kingston infrastructure, will be closed for good. It's the first Scotiabank branch in Jamaica, which began operations in 1889. Since then, the Bank of Nova Scotia Jamaica has expanded island-wide, now boasting 35 branches. Its latest financial report showing the years have treated the institution well. It's Jamaica's second biggest bank with $12.4 billion in profits last year. With that performance, the question on everyone's mind is why will this branch be closed?
We've seen a reduction in the number of transactions happening in branch. In fact, a 30% reduction over the last 3 years. It didn't make sense for us to maintain two branches in downtown Kingston, which are 5 minutes walk from each other. So the decision was taken, which was a tough decision, to renovate this branch as opposed to the King Street branch. And we expect that that will have a huge benefit for our customers.
This bank survived the earthquake which shattered Kingston in 1907 and tunneled through the social, political and economic changes of the 1930s. So where will the workers go and what will happen to this historic building?
In a few months from now, we will move all our staff from this branch over to the King Street branch and operate from there. And then once the renovations are done, then the staff will move back here and this will become our main branch downtown in downtown Kingston. We don't expect any redundancies. We think there will be more than enough vacancies and opportunities for the staff at King Street to move into other branches, including this expanded branch here.
The expansion of the bank's Duke Street location should be finished by mid-2019 and is costing the company almost $500 million.
The entire process of building this new branch and expanding it will probably take 6 months. It's part of a wider project that I'll be able to speak about at a later date. But the investment in this branch alone is going to be over $400 million Jamaican. So significant investment, and we want to do it right. It's going to change the way the branch looks. It's not about usual teller wickets and bankers on the outside of the branch with customers in the center. It's going to be more interactive.
Mr. Noel says while there are no immediate plans to close other branches, the company is reviewing its locations which are nearby with a view to improving overall efficiency. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continues to strengthen against the US currency. The greenback ended the day selling for $128.12. The Canadian dollar is going for $97.58. Sterling closed at $164.34, while the euro ended the day selling for $148.45. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December went down by $1.62 to trade at $63.69 a barrel. The JC index lost 3,506 points today, while the junior market index is down 33. Stocks posting gains today include AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Indus Pharma, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Wharves and Lasco Financial Services. On the losing side, Carib Cement, Dermont Trading, Dolphin Cove, Epley, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers and Kingston Properties. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.